The squeeze machine, a V-shaped device to press the user's whole body, has been used for relaxation. Our protocol reveals its potential to also capture transformation of our bodily self-consciousness.
The physical action of the squeeze machine, namely to squeeze and to have one's whole body squeeze, may provide insight into the mind-body problem.
Begin with modification of the original design of the squeeze machine. In place of an air cylinder actuator in the original design, adopt a motor liner actuator. Modify the original design by replacing the curved pads attached inside each panel with bead-filled cushions and omitting the 2 padded sliding panels that grip the user's neck. In place of the controller box, connect 2 control buttons to the actuator. Insert a microcomputer between the control buttons and the actuator with 2 signal switching relays. Upload a program to modify the open and close commands as necessary. Upload an appropriate program for standard conditions to the microcomputer. Now, show the participant how to use the machine. Demonstrate entering it and controlling it without informing the participant of the purpose of the machine. Ask the participant to use the machine for several minutes. Inform the participant that reactions about the feeling produced by the machine are welcomed. Aid the adjustment of the machine to enable easy entry and help fit the cushions to the participant's preference.